Austin. I'm 18 years old and I'm addicted to microwaves. It all started when I was about 5 years old. I saw a red microwave and I decided to put my bagel in it. And ever since then, I've just been addicted. When people tell me to stop, they really can't stop me because I just love microwaves. There's nothing people can do about it. I don't see I don't see a problem with being addicted to microwaves. I just wanted to come on the show. As I look at the microwave, it's very soothing, kind of reminds me of being in paradise. You know what I mean? It's just awesome. When I open the microwave and put something inside, my heart tends to beat faster because of how excited I am. Microwaves to me mean everything. No one's ever understood me like a microwave can. It always warms my heart and my food. My process with dealing with microwaves is pretty simple. I see the microwave, I touch the microwave, and everything's better. My mom often asks me what I'm doing whenever I open the microwave.
What are you making?
I want to get help because I feel like there's more to life than microwaves, but at the same time, I don't want to get help because I just love microwaves. So, I don't know. You know what I mean? I'm just confused. People might get on my nerves and tell me I can't be a microwave lover, but